Hey there. Struggling with your Vizio soundbar? You're not alone. Many users face the pesky issue of a subwoofer not found message on their Vizio soundbars. When you expect a booming bass to fill your room and instead get silence, it can be incredibly frustrating. Don't worry though. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix subwoofer not found on a Vizio soundbar. Step 1. Check the power source. First things first, ensure that your subwoofer is powered on. It might sound simple, but it's surprisingly easy to overlook. Check that it's plugged into a working outlet and that the power light is on. If the light isn't on, try plugging it into a different outlet or checking the power cable for damage. Step 2. Reconnect the devices. Sometimes your Vizio soundbar and subwoofer may lose their connection for various reasons. To reconnect, turn off both the soundbar and the subwoofer. Unplug them, then plug them back in after a few seconds. Turn your soundbar on and press the pair button on either the subwoofer or the remote, depending on your model. Wait until the connection is established. This might take a few moments. Step 3. Ensure proper placement. Where you place the subwoofer can also affect its connectivity. Make sure that the subwoofer is placed within a reasonable distance of your soundbar, typically no more than 30 feet. Remove any large obstacles or electronic devices that could interfere with the wireless signal. Ensuring clear line of sight can help maintain a strong connection. Step 4. Firmware update. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Check if there's a firmware update available for your Vizio soundbar. Visit the Vizio support website for instructions on how to download and install updates. Keeping your devices updated ensures they run smoothly and efficiently. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, resetting your Vizio soundbar to its factory settings can resolve issues. Be aware that this will erase any custom settings you've configured. To reset, refer to the user manual for specific instructions on your model. Typically, you press and hold specific buttons on the remote until the soundbar displays the reset message. After resetting, you'll need to reconnect the subwoofer by following the pairing instructions mentioned earlier. Step 6. Contact Vizio support. If you've tried all the previous steps and your subwoofer still isn't found, it may be time to contact Vizio support. They offer detailed troubleshooting and might diagnose a more complex issue with your equipment. Having the model number ready will help them assist you more efficiently. Dealing with a subwoofer not found issue on your Vizio soundbar can be a headache, but with these steps, you're well on your way to restoring that earth-shaking bass. By checking the power source, reconnecting, ensuring proper placement, updating firmware, resetting the system, and reaching out to support, you have a complete arsenal of solutions at your disposal. Stay persistent, and soon enough, your home audio experience will be back to its full glory. We hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy the rich sound that your setup has to offer.